right. So these first ones just say evaluate the logarithmic evaluate the logarithmic expression without using a calculator.
Oh wow.
Number 2. Log base 6 of 1 is equal to what?
Oh wait. Base 6. You write 6, not a B.
Wait, let me look at my handy dandy examples over here. Go. It's 1. Oh wait, no, that's what this is.
Do you have to make it an E thingy?
You can, but this is also something that I should know.
Oh wait. If something equals 1.
Isn't it B to 0 equals 1?
That's not 0.
Could it be log?
I want to know what this is equal to.
1.
So 6 raised to the what gives me 1?
0.
Because if I do this,
6 raised to 0 equals 1.
6 raised to whatever value equals 1, so
X equals 0.
the answer is 0.
Okay, so you just take the base
Who's
and
doing
make
that?
it equal to the. Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I didn't.
4. Log base 3 of 81 is equal to...
Ariel, no one wants to hear that sound.
A lot of times I'll write in an X just so that I know what I'm dealing with. Okay, so I'm going to make an E. So 3 to the X is equal to 81. So 3 raised to what power gives you 81?
Not 9. No, not 9.
Not 9.
How can I rewrite 81 in terms of 3?
I don't know. That's too much.
What's 3 times 3?
7, 9.
What's 9 times 3?
27.
What's 27 times 3?
So it's the 4th.
So 3 to the 4th, so X is equal to 4.
No, not nice. Not nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
Taylor, slap her
Limbo.
for me. I'm supposed to slap her when she says
That was so sweet. She was like...
Let me just pat you too.
Good job, Mercedes!
Log base 6 of 1 over the 5th root of 36.
I'm really upset that you
What
guys are
the
leaving.
cheese balls? That I'm leaving?
That both of you are freaking leaving. But
Yeah.
it's okay, 'cause I have Taylor.
All right, so
Yeah.
this one I'm going to write a different way. Okay, before I do anything.
I expect you to whip out a brush.
Hair is really naughty.
Wait, why didn't you whip out a hairdryer?
Sorry, I'll add that.
We
to
all
my-
get Kenny a blow dryer sponsored by the pre-cal class.
Funded by Precal.
He'd be like, why did they get me this? You're like, oh, you know. All right, so I want to rewrite this as another way that I can write a root is raising it to what?
Hold on.
5.
No.
Can you say that again? A root? You
What's
raise
another way to write the root? So like 36 raised to what power?
half? 2.
Well, it's a 5th root. So
1/5.
1/5.
Oh, man.
Okay, it's on the bottom and I want it moved to the top, so I can do it as negative 1/5 and then it's moved up.
Now it'd be
So now I can do my E. 6 to the X is equal to 36 to the negative 1/5. Can I rewrite 36 in terms of 6?
Yeah.
6.
Raised to the what?
6.
You have the
I
hiccups.
mean,
2. So I can rewrite this as 6 to the X is equal to 6 to the negative 2/5. Okay, because that means that 6 is being squared. And then I'm taking the 5th root of it. And because it's negative, I'd be moving it to the bottom. Okay, so now X equals negative 2/5.
I like that you think that's easy. My brain doesn't comprehend that.
I just hate fractions.
It is a million degrees outside today, guys.
My pants are
It's
wet.
amazing. I wish the weather was like this
Every day,
single
same, but I'm literally sweating and I'm stupid because I forgot that it was dressed that day. So,
Well, I was scared that somebody would get mad at me that I was dressed down, even though there was a remind that said Thursday. I was scared that the teacher was gonna be like,
I just wanted to look adorable, as usual.
oh yes, please.
The
Shut
log
up.
of 10,000 is equal to what? So, what base is on here?
1, 0,
10.
10.
9.
This is a common log, so it's a log base 10. So 10 to the x is equal to 10,000. What's another way I can write 10,000 in terms of 10?
10 to the
No, 10 times. No, 10.
X equals 10.
third power, the fourth power.
So however many zeros is how many powers it's raised to.
4.
I knew what I was doing that.
So x equals 4.
This is cool. I like it.
I like you.
I said 1 and then I said 0, but if you just squish those two together, then
It would have made a 10.
Ariel says.
I like you. Have a cupcake. I like
says
you.
that.
Have a cupcake. I like you.
All right. The log of 10 to the negative 4.
Oh, what about the last one?
Now, before you do anything, scroll back up and look at your properties that I gave you.
Ow!
Scroll back up. Taylor, scroll back up. Everybody else flip to the other page.
Well, are you okay there?
And without doing an E, tell me what this is equal to.
Negative 4.
Whoa!
So bad.
Everyone calm down.
I'm calm. Oh, Taylor, I'm sorry, but like when Elle wears Crocs, her feet look huge. When Taylor wears Crocs, they look tiny. Smaller.
They look like little. They're
They're like Barbie feet.
Thank you.
That was rude.
No, I think Barbie feet are cute.
What size shoe do you wear?
These are.
Okay, everybody sees how we got this one without doing the E.
Yeah.
Okay, it was a log base 10 of 10, which means it's whatever the power is equal to.
Thank you.
14.
Really hurt.
What if I have to pee more than once in chapel?
That's embarrassing for you.
Sorry.
You might as
Then
well
I would
shit
just
in
sit at the back.
Be like, excuse me, I gotta step
And
out.
everyone's gonna be like, "What's your issue?"
I'll just hold it and go once, I guess. Or like in the middle.
Lord.
Or right when.
Go like right before you start chapel and then,
Like in the middle. I have to go.
yeah.
Yeah.
All right, the ln of e to the negative 4. You should also be able to do this one without drawing an E.
X equals 4. Negative 4. Is that right?
Yep.
Holy cheese balls!
Because this is log base E raised to the what is equal to e to the negative 4, so that means it has to be negative 4. Okay, slash it's a
Whenever they
property.
look like that, it's just the exponent thing.
Yeah, because this is really a log base E of e to the negative 4. Those things cancel each other, meaning that all you're left with is the negative 4.
Awesome.
Ew.
16.
Weirdo.
ln of 1.
My elbows are dry.
That you should also be able to do without.
1. Oh man.
0.
Lies.
What the cheese balls?
I'm just
You're being
smart like that.
Today.
I'm
There's
just
something
smart
happening.
like that.
Okay, because if we
Well,
go
there are
back
two things
up,
happening then. 1.
if it's the log of 1 or log base whatever of 1, it's equal to 0.
I have expo marker all over my fingers.
All right, 18. The ln of 1 over the square root of e to the 7th.
I should take a picture of the question.
So this one,
I'm dumb. I'm so.
okay, I would again start out by rewriting this one, okay? It's e to the 7th. I'm taking the square root, so what does that do power-wise?
It's to the 1 over 7. Negative 1 over 7.
The
Wait.
7's inside.
Oh, never mind.
It's just a square root. So what do I?
2. 1 and 2.
Okay, so this is the ln of, and because it's on the bottom, what do I need to do to the exponent to move it to the top? Okay, so it's going to be e to the negative 7/2 is equal to x. Now, this one now looks a lot like 14.
So it's negative 7 over 2.
So x equals negative 7/2. Pig down.
No!
Oh,
Which one is it? Winkers or Wilbur?
Good thing he doesn't have it.
The one without the line.
That's, I think that's
Wilbur.
Wilbur. Yeah.
Winkers has the line.
So funny. That was actually.
I was just writing it, all of a sudden I was like, the pig is going down.
I don't know why that was so funny to me.
No, that's like
Oh, he's a Razorback now.
Yeah.
He's dead.
Hello?
Hi.
I'm in trouble. I was downstairs in the kitchen.
Okay, thanks. I don't know how to do anything with them, but I guess that's good.
No, yeah, I just put it in the fridge. I had to go through a lot to get permission because he said this office said I wasn't allowed to leave because I wasn't a senior. And so I was like, Mr. Law, and he was like, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I asked him to leave one time, and he said yes too.
Technically, because the first period study hall you don't have to be here for.
Yeah, so I was like, I wonder why I can't leave to come back. I was like, okay.
It's also like not like you were leaving for funsies. Like
That's
you
what I'm
literally
saying.
forgot something.
Just
I
always
was
ask
like, it's
Mr.
for my
Law,
class.
honestly.
But yeah, he said I could. So
Okay,
it's in the
thank
kitchen.
you.
Thanks.
All right, 20. 5 raised to the log base 5 of 8.
You call what?
What is this equal to?
Oh wait, we wrote it down.
Did we not do
It
number 12?
equals x,
Correct.
which makes it equal to.
Huh?
Never ignore what I just said, but it equals x.
What?
No, don't ignore what you just said.
What was x in this, though?
5. 8. 8.
5x.
8. Sorry, my bad. I looked at the wrong.
So this is just equal to 8.
I didn't write this very
Oh.
legibly. So. Okay.
All right, 22.
No, Joel, slap her.
I'm not doing it. We all know it's gonna be bad.
10 to the log of 14.
Oh my gosh!
14.
14.
Nope.
Oh yeah, because it's technically a 10 there.
Hey, you know lemonade helps, right?
Go drink some lemonade.
I don't have any lemonade.
There's some right
There's some
here.
literally right there. Go drink the lemonade.
That sounds gross.
I think my blood sugar's low or something.
All right, e to the ln of 1/5. What does that one equal to?
1/5.
1/5.
This is too easy. We're too cool for school.
Yeah. Jinx.
Is that it?
No, not yet. Almost.
When did we get to just switch them in between each other? That was so fun.
Oh my gosh.
All right. So next one, say to use the calculator to evaluate the expression if it's defined. And then it says to check it by evaluating the corresponding blah, blah, blah. Don't worry about that part. Just literally,
Should I
we're
check
just
it?
going to do it. 26. The log of 0.908. So this one is just the log button on your calculator.
0.908.
Sorry, I'm trying to look for the log. Am I blank? Yes. I didn't even turn it on.
Negative 0.04 something. 2.
Negative 0.042.
I'll be back.
You're not getting through chapter.
I should not be laughing at her picture.
She should really go to the doctor again.
For like the 5th time.
There is something seriously wrong.
They're probably really concerned.
Maybe it's something in her diet.
All right. The log of negative 5.14. Okay, undefined y.
Because it's a
It's
negative
negative.
number.
It's a negative, so I can't have it.
Ugh.
30. The ln of 0.733.
Negative 0.13.
0.13?
Where's the line? Never mind.
Oh wait, I used the log button, not the L.
I was like,
Negative 0.31.
That's why when you said 1.3, I was like, did I write this down wrong? I was like, did I have a dyslexic moment and write it backwards?
Yeah, no, Taylor's right.
No, Taylor and I did that in our chemistry lab yesterday, and we were like, the filter paper is
Yeah, we're like-
0.06, and she was like, there is no way. And we were like, yes.
0.60.
All right, solve the equation by changing it to an exponential form. This is what you were asking about, Taylor. The log of x is equal to 4.
Oh, you just switched them, right? No.
So
Yes? No?
I'm just gonna
Yay!
10 to the 4th is equal to x. So what is x equal to?
Give me a minute.
10,000.
10,000. Last
Oh.
one.
I wrote it wrong.
36 log
I wrote 1,000.
of x is equal to negative 3. So make the e. 10 to the negative 3 is equal to x. So what is x equal to? 1 over what?
No, give me a minute. I'm still on the E. Oh, that was really bad. I don't care.
0.001.
Okay, well, hold on. You said that x is equal to 0.001.
Yep.
Okay, that's fine if you do it as decimal. As a fraction,
1 over 1,000.
yeah, 1 over 1,000. So I would take either answer when you do it. So your
We
problems
can all sit in the back with you.
No.
are
Then everybody would ask, why did you sit in the back?
1 through 21, every other odd. And then 25 through 35 odd.